Kev G with a weather overview, and it's Super Bowl Sunday. It's going to be a rainy Super Bowl Sunday across the region. So if you are traveling to and from various activities this afternoon and evening, be aware that we're going to have some rainy conditions out there. Rain may become heavy at times. We take a look at the temperatures across the region via Intellicast.com, and it's easily in the 40s along the coast, so everything that falls is going to be rain. We do have some snow well north and west of the city, but I think within 30 miles of the city, it'll be changing over to rain. So you have to really be out like in the Poconos to catch a couple of inches of snow here with this particular system. We just don't have the overall setup that we need, I think, over the next 7 to 10 days for anything major around here, unless you consider rain to be a big deal. But in the wintertime, it looks like we are, instead of expecting snow over the next 10 days, I would expect that any system that comes through is going to be predominantly rain. So if we take a look at the radar off of Intellicast, yes, there's snow across the north and west of town, but along the coast, this is definitely going to be rain. We're already in the low to mid 40s, and we don't have any source of cold air to tap with this storm. And the storm is not tracking favorably in such a way that it could bring down cold air, even if sufficient cold air was available. But we just don't have the storm track for it. And that's going to be the theme, I think, over the next 7 days. So we have 3 systems to deal with. This one, we have one on Wednesday, and then we have one on Sunday. And all 3 of them are going to produce rain. So here's Intellicast. We go from Intellicast.com to TropicalTidbits.com. And this is where you can get all your models, your various weather models. And here we are this afternoon and tonight. So rain heavy at times for the majority of the region. You have to go well north and west to get any frozen precipitation. And then that goes through. I don't think there's going to be really any problems for tomorrow morning's rush. It gets cold for a couple of days, yes. We have the cold weather building back in, so not doing much better than 30s for Monday and Tuesday. But then we warm up ahead of the next weather system that comes in Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night with more rain, heavy at times. And I think that'll impact the Wednesday night rush hour because the rain will start to get heavy by the time we get into the evening, the heart of the evening commute. But you can see the snow is well north and west of the city. Places like Albany and points north, you have to go really far north with the next system to get any appreciable wintry precipitation. Now, there is a chance that on the backside of the front on Thursday morning, everything changes over to snow. I wouldn't really bank on that yet as being that big of a deal, even if it did. Maybe we get an inch or 2 on the backside. But all in all, not a significant wintry weather event. And then it cools down again. We go through the same thing. Thursday, Friday, cools down, temperatures in the 30s. Saturday, Sunday, we rebound the temperatures, and more rain moves in for Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. And I want to show you in a general sense what I mean about the pattern not really being favorable for winter storms at this time. This is where we are. This is the European model next Sunday. And basically what it's showing is that the high pressure system is well off the coast of the Northeast and up into Canada. And the high pressure system is too far to the west on the west coast. You need those things to be aligned differently in order to get winter storms around here. So when we look at weather underground, I think it hits on the themes very nicely. Mid-40s and rain today, back down into the 30s again. Wednesday, that silly snow icon. Nothing I can do about that, folks, but you know it's going to be rain. Thursday, Friday cools down again, clouding up Saturday, rain for Sunday. We make a run at 50 on Sunday with rain, and then we cool down a little bit on Monday. But overall, an unfavorable pattern for winter storms across the region for the next 7 to 10 days.